Well, let's go see what I was up to this morning. Pretty warm out, 85 degrees. I took a little dip in the pool when I was done. Early in the morning I got up and made this little bird here, about 4 feet tall. A lot of silverware for wings. Welded a million nuts together. Cute little guy. I got this one for sale. Facebook friends. Otherwise I want 200. But I'll keep him. Because he looks good, that yellow against yellow flowers. Yeah. Wait the bird. This one I made quite a while ago. Good for holding up my hanging planters, which that one over there would do too. But anyway, it's just a short video. I got another bird I'm working on right now, so I better get to work. Alrighty then, bye bye.